Namaste all of you. Myself yoga teacher Harvi Sharma. Welcome to my YouTube channel Harvi Sharma. So today we prepare the video on the weight loss and upper back opening. So firstly we start now. Firstly sit any comfortable position, just like cross leg and one leg cross, but make sure spine should be straight. Both hands behind on your back. Inhale, extend your rib cage, press your palm. Exhale, look up, press your chest and lengthen your neck away from the shoulder. For few seconds stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Good. Come back. Inhale, exhale, both hands on your knee, suck your belly in, look down for few seconds. 1, 2 and 3. Once again, press your palm, extend your rib cage. Inhale, open your chest, drop your shoulder, press your chest, neck away from the shoulder. Stay there for few seconds. Continuous breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Good. Come back. Inhale, exhale, both hands on your knee, exhale, look down for a few seconds. Relaxation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now this time another exercise. Inhale, both hands on the shoulder level. Inhale, exhale, open your chest, extend your rib cage for few seconds. Stay there, breathing continuous. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Good. Come back. Inhale, exhale, relax, suck your belly in, look down, stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Again, inhale, extend your rib cage, open your chest, spread your hands, look up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Again, inhale, exhale, scratch your stomach, suck your belly in, look down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now this time लेफ्ट हैंड ऑन योर राइट अपर थाई. इस प्रकार से इनहेल, एक्सटेंड योर रिब केज, ओपन योर चेस्ट. एक्सहेल, कीप योर राइट हैंड स्ट्रेट, लुक बैक, स्टे देयर. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Good. Come back. Inhale, exhale, relax. Now this time right hand on your left knee. Inhale, exhale, stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now this time come again, another sequence. Now this time you can see me here. Inhale, extend your rib cage, straight your arms. Inhale, look up, stay there for few seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now this time inhale, suck your belly in, try to touch your mat by the head, both hands up for few seconds. Stay there, breathing continuous. 1, 2, 3, 4, lengthen your spine, 5 and 6. Again, now this time same sequence, make a finger lock, inhale, extend your arms, open your shoulder, drop your shoulder, lengthen your neck, press your chest, breathing continuous, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now this time inhale, exhale, suck your belly, look down, try to touch your chin on the mat. If you have more flexibility, both hands up, breathing continuous, stay there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now this time inhale, exhale, relax. Now this time another sequence, same, make a finger lock, inhale, exhale, try to touch your head on the left knee side, both hands up, breathing continuous, stay there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now this time again inhale, now this time right side, inhale, exhale, try to touch your head on the ground, breathing continuous, stay there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Good, come back, inhale, exhale, relax. Now this time another sequence. Now this time you can use the step. आप इस प्रकार से step use कर सकते हैं. You can grip the step in your hands, but make sure your elbow should be straight. Firstly, you can make a bigger gap. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. If you have more flexibility, you can close slowly little gap. Again, inhale, exhale, open your shoulder and open your chest on the upper side. Exhale, inhale, exhale for few seconds continuous. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale and exhale and come back. This is the sequence for the open shoulder and the upper back. Now this time another step, come in the stand on your knee. Now this time both hands you can make namaste. Here close your both knees and close your both toes together. You can make namaste. Open your chest, open your shoulder, inhale, exhale and stay there for few seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Good, come back, inhale, exhale, relax, relax for few seconds, stay there, inhale, exhale, inhale and exhale. Now this time stand on your knee. Now this time you can curl your toes, inhale and hold your toes and stay there. 1, stay there, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Good, come back, inhale, exhale, relax. Now this time if you have more flexibility, you have more super duper flexibility, now this time you same come in the same sequence, stand on your knee. Now this time drop your toes. Here inhale, exhale, you can drop your both palm on your feet and you can hold your ankle and stay there. Press your hip in front side, neck away from the shoulder and stay there for few seconds, breathing continuous. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Good, come back, inhale, exhale, relax, relax everyone. So guys, this is the sequence for weight loss and opening of upper chest and shoulder opening. So आप इस प्रैक्टिस को रेगुलर बेस पे लगातार कीजिए, आपको उससे निश्चित तौर पे आपको बेनिफिट मिलेगा। और हंसते रहिए, मुस्कुराते रहिए, अपनी योगा की प्रैक्टिस आप डेली रेगुलर बेस पे करते रहिए। और वेट फॉर माय नेक्स्ट वीडियो एंड आई होप, मैं सबसे आशा करता हूँ कि मेरा यूट्यूब चैनल हरवीर शर्मा के नाम से है, आप ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करें। अगर आपका एक लाइक और सब्सक्राइब आता है तो मुझे पता लगता है कि आप उसको देख पा रहे हैं और उससे आप बेनिफिट्स ले पा रहे हैं। तो थैंक यू ऑल ऑफ़ यू, नमस्ते।